Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we'll go over the enhancements made to the document assembly, in which you can now add client profile documents to your document assembly. If you are unfamiliar with the document assembly, the purpose of it is to create a single document combining all forms, letters, and uploaded documents into one single PDF file and is located in the case profile. Let us show you how this works. Once logged into your caseworker profile, let us go inside a case. For this example, we will use a case that already has forms, letters, and documents, both in the client profile and in the case. Let us go into the Document Assembly tab. You will click on New and name your document assembly. Below you will see Case Documents and Case Party Documents. Case Documents is what was previously already in the document assembly, meaning you can select the forms, the case documents, and letters you wish to add to your assembled document. To add them, simply click on the checkbox next to the item and click on the arrow button. You should now see that item listed on the right. The new thing you will see is Case Party Documents. If clicked, you will see a drop-down of linked case parties, which would be your client's link to the case. When selecting the appropriate case party, you will now see options to bring over passports, I-94s, visas, or other documents that you have uploaded inside the client's profile. The same as before, should you want to bring a document into your assembled document, you will click on the checkbox to the left and click the arrow button. Once you have your documents listed to the right, you can reorganize them by clicking on the three dots icon, which would then allow you to drag and drop an item into its new position. Additionally, if you click the Indent button, the document will now appear as a subcategory to a form or other. The last thing you want to do is create a table of contents by clicking on Create Table of Contents. The software will then generate one for you, in which you can modify or leave as is. In the Pages section, you do not need to worry about calculating this. The software will auto-add that for you. You will click on Save Changes. Once your document is assembled, you now have the option to download it or email it. If you have bigger files included, we recommend downloading it, and the software will direct you to the job request area of the software to download. However, if you have smaller files, you can select to email, and a pop-up will appear allowing you to select the recipient, subject, and message. Once either emailing to yourself or downloading, you should now have a single PDF file with your assembled document. This concludes our video on the enhancements made to the document assembly.